Kasi may mga activities pa rin po tayo sa school at sa iba pa po pa rin sa mga ibang lakad ninyo. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Wow!
Hindi makapagsalita.
Thank you for coming to my birthday. I'm 7 years old. You really want me to get mad? It's my birthday.
Alright. And of course, let's please remain standing. We'll just start this party with a prayer.
Kasama ka? Doon? Sa mga 7-7 tayo?
7-7.
Happy birthday, Kyrie.
Uy!
Happy birthday, Kyrie. I hope you heal well. And
Buti wala na yung benta niya.
Okay na.
Tumatak po. 1 week bago mangyari. Kaya kanina hindi namin pinagpatatanong.
Thank you, Moses. Next, of course, we're not gonna forget the Kuyas. Kuya Kyle. Thank you, Kuya Kyle. And last but not the least, Kuya Kerr.
What? Huh? You want one for yourself? I'll give you later. Okay.
that looks yummy.
Kyrie, I just want to say, first of all, happy birthday and hope that you grow up to be big and strong and you'll always be playing football. Is that right, Kyrie?
Oh, you guessed it.
Yes, yes. And yeah, once I'm a little bit older and also you'll be a little bit older, don't worry about it because I'll be providing for you all the way. I love you, man.
Wow!
You have a long life and a healthy life. And I love you very much.
Hindi pa alam.
Hindi alam.
Filipino.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are
marunong.
the 7 cupcakes.
Yaw siya mag-diaper kasi galing pa kami sa Jebel Hapit eh.
I'm hungry na raw eh.
Pagod na kami.
I'm hungry na raw.
Ano naman ang pinanggalingan na? Oo, kasi may pinasal kami mga nanay, mga bakasyonista dito. Kaya ano, kasama kami.
Okay, first is Aika.
Yan?
7 years old?
Oo.
Are you just okay?
Ganyan na ngayon uso. 7 years old.
Paggastos sa magulang.
Oo, sa mayayaman. Kagaya ni sis.
Okay, thank you very much. Next, Megan. Thank you, Megan. Next, Nika.
Hindi ako napapansin na
Nino? Sino yun? Ah, okay. Ayaan mo siya.
Okay, thank you very much, Nika. Next, Ate Iya.
yung the same company mo yung kumuha. So, sila yung provide ng
Okay, thank you, Ate Iya. Next, Ava. Okay, thank you very much, Ava. Next, Tita Maria. practice. Oh, see? Oh. Kahit nag-practice sila, tagalan natin ng konti.
Yayo ka muna.
Okay, thank you very much, Tita Marian.